And let's also get you up to speed with what the Indian Prime Minister has said today, talking about the sacrifice made by the 20 Indian soldiers who were killed in action in that Galwan Valley incident. The Prime Minister has said that the sacrifice of the Indian soldiers killed in that incident will not go in vain. The Prime Minister was speaking at his meeting with the Chief Ministers that started with a 2-minute silence as a mark of tribute to those 20 Indian soldiers.
भारत शांति चाहता है, लेकिन भारत उकसाने पर हर हाल में यथोचित जवाब देने में सक्षम है और हमारे दिवंगत शहीद वीर जवानों के विषय में देश को इस बात का गर्व होगा कि वे मारते मारते मरे हैं।
The Prime Minister said on national television that India has never provoked anyone, referring to Monday's hand-to-hand fighting incident. Regarding the ongoing face-off, he said whenever there is a situation, India has shown its strength to keep the country united.
जहां कहीं हमारे मतभेद भी रहे हैं, हमने हमेशा ही ये प्रयास किया है कि मतभेद विवाद न बने, डिफरेंसेस डिस्प्यूट्स में न बदले। हम कभी किसी को भी उकसाते नहीं हैं, लेकिन हम अपने देश की अखंडता और संप्रभुता के साथ समझौता भी नहीं करते हैं।
The Indian Prime Minister making those remarks after hundreds of Indian and Chinese troops have been facing each other since early May at 3 or 4 locations in the uninhabited high-altitude deserts of Ladakh. Prime Minister Modi has also called for an all-party meeting on the 19th of June to discuss the situation after the confrontation between the two nuclear-armed neighbors. That meeting that was held between the Prime Minister and the Chief Ministers and the Lieutenant Governors began with a 2-minute silence as a mark of tribute to the 20 soldiers who were killed in action. The Prime Minister said their sacrifice will not go in vain.
मैं देश को भरोसा दिलाना चाहता हूं, हमारे जवानों का बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा। हमारे लिए भारत की अखंडता और संप्रभुता सर्वोच्च है और इसकी रक्षा करने से हमें कोई भी रोक नहीं सकता। इस बारे में किसी को भी जरा भी भ्रम या संदेह नहीं होना चाहिए।